Welcome to part 2. In this lesson, we're going to take the drum fills that we learned in part 1 from Justin Tyson, and we're going to apply them around the drum set. Let's jump right in. A link to the PDF transcription of the original grooves will be in the description and in a pinned comment. Check it out. For review, fill number 1 sounds like this. All right, very simple exercise. We're going to take those left-hand notes that we played on the snare drum that made up our fill, and we're going to experiment moving them around the drum set. So I'm going to play a couple measures of all those notes on the rack tom, couple measures of all of them on the floor tom, and a few with the notes on the bass drum. All right, let's give it a try. Now that we got the coordination down for a few ideas, we've been experimenting, I want you to freely improvise around the drum set. Do not practice patterns that you preconceive. Don't worry necessarily about where you're playing on the drum set, just that you're moving around freely. All right, let's review fill number 2. Okay, same exercise we did with fill number 1. We're just going to take those bass drum notes and we're going to apply them to different drums. And finally, let's freely improvise fill number 2. All right, let's do a quick review of fill number 3. Same exercise. Let's take that basic rhythm and start to experiment around the drum set. And finally, let's freely improvise. I hope this lesson helps give you some ideas on how to be creative and adapt them into your own vocabulary. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much.